How to follow someone on Kling AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Kling AI and want to follow another creator, first of all, launch the Kling AI app, open or visit the Kling AI website and sign into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the search icon at the top right corner, and in the search bar, search for the creator you want to follow by entering their username or display name. From the search results, find the creator you want to follow. You can search for the creator from the categories from the top. Once you find the person you want to follow, click on the follows button right next to the person's name. Now you'll be able to follow the creator. You can also follow creators by going to the Explore tab from the bottom. And if you like some of the contents out there and you want to follow its creators, you can tap on this little plus icon to follow the creator quickly. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.